name is Wendy, and I am actually a representative for them in Northern California. The company is based out of Vermont. They source all of their products locally from local farmers, so it's made with fresh dairy, cheese and eggs, and tapioca starch is the base for the pizza and the breads. Everything is found in the frozen department. They are they're a family-run business, so everything is done in-house. They've been together for a long time. They are a national brand. You can find them everywhere. They specialize in the pizzas, the nut-free pesto, the pepperoni, and the cheese. And also their bagels are very much the top seller. A lot of time beating out even regular frozen non-gluten-free breads in the freezer area. Website, they do sell off of the website. We are in Whole Foods, Sprouts, Safeway, nationally, and then in Northern California, most all the random independents. You can find them, Rayleigh's. Yeah, and online, a ton of information for them online.